How to fix vibration not working on iPhone after update. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost fix is to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone fixes majority of minor issues on your iPhone. The next fix is to check vibration settings. So launch the settings application on your device and tap on the sounds and haptics option. Further scroll down and tap on ringtone and on text tone, and then make sure the vibration or the haptics is not set to none. Choose a vibration pattern like heartbeat or quick. Go back to sounds and haptics and then tap on the haptics option you see there and make sure it is not set to never, and set it to always play or set it to play in ring mode or silent mode. Now, go back to settings and tap on accessibility and then tap on touch and then on vibration. Make sure the toggle button for vibration is toggled on. Also, check for your system haptics, so go back to settings and tap on sounds and haptics again and scroll down and make sure the system haptics toggle button is toggled on. And if none of these fixes your issue, then reset all settings. To reset all settings, in settings itself, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter a passcode and reset all settings, and by now your issues should have been fixed. So this is how you can fix vibration not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.